Well, it's the next day, and I have decided I am going to paint these window frames a green color. It's like an aqua blue color. I mixed it up already, and this is the color I came up with. I do need to shake this up a little bit again, and it is a combination of a Kelly green and this Laguna, this blue color. Now, I can't tell you the ratio because this was just a pour and stir until I saw what I liked. That's why I made a whole mess of it for, just in case I need extra or for another project. I thought this would look kind of nice and really pop out against the dark colors on this engine house. So let's get this all shaken up, and these jars aren't the tightest, so we're going to wrap them with a paper towel so I don't get paint all over myself, which, too late for that, I guess. Alright. Got lucky that time. Let's see if that looks better. Yeah, that's a bit better. Not perfect, but it'll have to do. And again, the trusty old airbrush. So let's load her up. And get to spraying. Alrighty, now on to the second and hopefully the last coat. Well, there we have it. 2 coats. I do believe it's good. And I tell you what, you see how small these openings for some of these windows are. And if you are becoming a serious modeler, you most definitely have to get an airbrush. And as I mentioned before, get the best one you can afford, and it'll serve you well. I have painted these before by hand with a small paintbrush, and not only does it take an extremely long time to get it painted, but it never looks this good. You always have build up the paint in corners that you can't get out. Again, do yourself a favor, get an airbrush. And with that, I do believe everything we have is painted. that needed to be painted. So we're going to let this dry overnight and come back tomorrow and we're going to start assembling. See you then.